Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 50L and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually situated near the center of the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Before proceeding, it's advisable to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, to remove the existing RAM, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module. The module should pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. If you're upgrading, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle and press down until the clips click into place, securing the RAM. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transport. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help you decide if this upgrade is right for you. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly tight to avoid stripping. After reassembling, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 15IL. To check if the RAM upgrade was successful, right-click on the Start menu and select System. Here you should see the new amount of RAM displayed. If you encounter any issues or if the process feels overwhelming, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. In conclusion, upgrading the RAM in your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 15IL can significantly enhance its performance, making it more efficient for your daily tasks. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can complete this upgrade yourself. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.